All right, we got some balloon molds. Would you do a bundle deal if I buy them all?
Wow.
Good morning. Make sure you guys stay to the end because we get a surprise pickup that we have never found before. How much are the shoes?
5.
5? One down. $1?
Yeah. Sí, esto one también.
Okay.
Esto a 2, esto 5, porque esto es new.
See. When I saw these WWE book bags and when he said they were only $1, I thought I hit a gold mine. And then when I picked them up, I started looking and they just looked weird and looked off. So after further inspection, the graphics were off. There's no official WWE tag on it. They were actually bootleg bags. So I decided to pass. I'll just get these.
Thank you.
Yep, thank you. Morning.
Morning. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Another day in paradise.
Another day in paradise?
Yeah. Another day at the rat race.
The rat race? Whatever works best, right?
You on a motorcycle?
I'm sorry?
You on a motorcycle?
I do not.
Oh, no, I see you have a GoPro on your
Oh, no, yeah. I film my yard sales when I go out and about and stuff like that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I like to document what I see, what I find. You been busy this morning?
Yeah. Oh, you want some good documentation?
Sure.
Come on.
Trying.
You can start right here.
What's up?
And that white envelope right there, underneath the coat hanger?
White envelope underneath this right here?
Yeah, pull that pull out right there.
All right, where we got this?
My mom and dad's picture invited to the inaugural
Huh.
Jimmy Carter. Open it up. That's the tag on the car. Take
Oh,
it on the Washington property. There's a picture from the presidential banquet. Here's all the invitations.
This is really cool. That's a picture of your parents?
That's my picture of my dad. My dad was a Tampa policeman for 40 years here in Tampa.
Wow.
And they were invited for the inauguration. And this was the tag he had put on the car
From 1981.
to get on the thing.
Huh.
And here's all the invitations
That's cool.
with the presidential seal and everything.
So what brought him, how did he get invited out to this?
Being on law enforcement, he got Police Officer of the Year.
Oh, correct.
And he got invited by the FBI to be a personal guest.
Huh.
So we all went up there and we got to go to the U.S. Mint,
Yeah.
watch the money. We got congressional pass to go Congress and everything.
This is so cool. So this was, and then the picture right here.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, they both have passed away by,
Yeah.
you know, it's been 10, 15 years.
You don't want to save that?
I'm the last of my family.
No, okay.
Okay.
I understand.
I don't want to see it going to somebody else, you know.
You'd rather someone else get it and see it. That's
Yeah.
interesting.
But I have the line, the Leonidas to go with it. And there's the history book. There's a story portfolio.
Huh. This is really cool. I really appreciate you sharing this with me.
Oh yeah, no. When you see the next one, you're really gonna flip out.
It's prison.
There's a lot of documents, seals, everything.
Yeah. How many people were there? Do you know?
At the inauguration or invited?
No, that were invited to this.
Oh, it was me, let's see, my mother and father, me and my sister.
Okay.
And then my other sister came later. She had to stay on this trip home. He's also in the record books. He arrested Janis Joplin
Janis Joplin, really?
and Cheech and Chong.
And Cheech and Chong?
Yes. Back in the 60s.
That's cool.
I was at both shows. I was getting my stage union card. I'm a musician.
Okay.
And I retired from being a musician and all that. And I've had my claim to fame as well.
So let me ask you this. Were you upset when your dad arrested them?
Oh, don't, no.
Okay.
They broke the law. They broke the law.
Gotcha.
The thing is, try going to school the next day.
Try to go to school the next day, yeah.
Yeah, that's the part that kicks you in the butt.
Yeah, absolutely. Morning. Morning. That's cool. How much are these? So you have a whole box of them.
Yeah, we have two boxes. One has purple letters. Yeah, one's
Okay.
girls, one's boys.
Yeah.
Take a whole box for $5.
The whole box of these for $5? How many are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I'll buy them for $5. Give me $5 for it. Just keep it there for it now. I'll
The
get
boys one.
just the boys one. Do you have any more comic book stuff at all like that?
We have comic book. Oh no.
You sold
Did you buy them?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You still do comic books?
I lied.
Okay, I'll take a look at those in a second. You said you had any video games? Because I heard you say video game books.
Yeah, we already sold it.
Oh, it's okay. What'd you have?
Xbox One Bandicoot game.
Oh, okay. So video. Trapped.
That's a duplicate of the first book.
Yeah. How much are the books?
We're doing 2 each of $6.
These are $6. How much are your Vera Bradley stuff?
5 for each of the small bags, 10 for the big ones.
Call my wife. So the big one you said was 10 and these ones are 5 each, you said? Would you do 20 if I buy all 4?
Yeah.
Cool.
So I guess the wife said yes?
She didn't answer.
Oh, well, she
So-
meant to say yes.
Yeah, so I was like, well, I'll just buy them and then,
Well, she can't be mad about it.
yeah, so I said either way, I'll walk away with brownie points
Yeah.
that I thought of her, or I bought her something she liked. So,
And they're brand new, so you don't even have to tell her.
yeah. But she loves Vera Bradley stuff, so
Nice. That's a steal.
yeah, I thank you. I appreciate the deal. Where'd you get it from?
Late wife.
Oh, okay.
Was an avid shopper. And
Gotcha.
She just bought stuff and threw it wherever.
Okay. All right. So I owe you 25 because I'm getting the things up front too.
Okay.
If you have ones, I would appreciate it so I can give her one on the way out.
double count me there.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. All right. I'll take a cookie. All right, we got some blow molds. They look like in good condition. Got the lambs, the shepherd, the sheep, Mary and baby Jesus, and the 3 kings. 30, 30, 30, 100. Normally I always pick up automobile repair books, but this one just had a lot of damage to it, and I decided to pass. Cowboy boots. Just Western. About $40. This croquet set wasn't a bad price at $5. This is actually one of the cheaper made ones, but since I already had a couple at the house that still haven't sold, I decided to pass. Halloween decorations. Totes $2. Would you do a bundle deal if I buy them all?
Well, it's $100 for the whole
$100.
set.
Okay.
I mean,
They're cool.
yeah, I know. The only reason I'm doing that is I looked on and you know this right here goes for 100 and so
Yeah. Okay.
just by itself, you know. So
Yeah.
in a way, it's kind of a bundle deal there anyway.
Yeah.
For
Okay.
$100.
I'll give you $100 for it.
All right.
Do you have any other any other blow molds or anything like this?
No, these are the only ones I have.
Okay. Do you have any I see you have all kind of other collectibles. Do you have any comic books or video game stuff at all?
No, not at no.
Okay.
No,
Is that the?
not right.
And then I saw you said that you had Halloween stuff.
Yeah.
It's just in there.
Right here, I have some Halloween stuff, and also I have.
What is this cat?
Huh?
It's interesting.
A Halloween cat.
Yeah. It's creepy. It's definitely creepy looking. It's super creepy.
That's what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be a creepy looking.
Yeah. It's a creepy looking thing, man. That's for sure.
Like I have some here, you know, spiders.
Okay. Well, here, let me give you the $100 here for the blow molds.
All right.
There you go.
Okay.
There's your 100 there. Let me see what else you got.
And then as far as you know, I have as far as Halloween goes, I have these Halloween
Okay.
stuff here, and then these hanging shit stuff here, and then a couple Halloween.
Got you a Halloween there. Okay.
Okay. And then these two here.
Well, I'm super excited. So, I've never got the nativity scene before.
Yeah, well, the thing was, is I had another set, but it got burned up.
Yeah.
And then, which I liked a little bit better because it was an older set, and
Yeah.
the baby Jesus, was separate,
Yeah.
and it went in a cradle. And when it got, you know, I had just set it up, my neighbor's trailer burned down, and of
Oh,
course,
no.
the one thing it burned up was
that?
So I
Yeah.
had to go out and rebuy the whole set.
Yeah. No, they're cool pieces. So,
Right.
well, I appreciate you giving me a deal on them.
Yeah, I mean,
Working on them.
I used to set them up every year, but
Yeah.
I'm eventually, you know, I'm working on moving into an apartment,
Gotcha.
senior citizen area, 65.
Yeah,
plus.
I got you.
And I got a year's waiting list on it, 6 months to a year, and I'm
Just waiting for the call.
yeah. And while I'm doing it, matter of fact, I'm going to put in the application here Wednesday for the,
Okay.
and it's 6 months to a year.
See if there's anything else I can help you out in your downsizing here. Pipe fittings.
You know anybody who needs a water pump for a Toyota Tacoma?
Okay.
I mean, that's brand new.
It's brand new?
Yeah, it's a brand new water pump. Never been used.
see what we got here.
So like I said, I did have a couple games.
Okay. GameCube. Got Sonic. Strike Force Bowling.
I'm trying to think of what this is for. I think this is the memory.
That's a memory card. Yeah, memory card for that. So that goes there. And then you have the. Here's
then I have the disc.
The Game Boy player, yeah, because you need it won't play without the disc.
Right, I have the Game Boy Play disc.
Yeah.
That goes with it. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, you need that to play the Game
You
Boy
do, yeah.
console on it.
So.
And like I said, it came with one remote.
Okay. Do you have any more?
Oh, that's my wife. She'll want that game.
Okay.
These games she's not gonna like.
Gotcha. Well, at least I saved you from a domestic fight there, right?
Yeah.
Domestic dispute. What would you want for it?
What do you say? The whole thing?
Here.
$30?
Yeah, I'll give you $30.
Yeah.
That's fair.
Plug in.
Yeah, you got that. You get the plug-in. The controller looks good and stuff.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So. Yeah, I hadn't had a really chance to plug it in to see if it actually works yet.
You know, I've been looking for the Game Boy player and stuff like that, so that's works out for me, man. And looks like I'm sure it worked because you had the game in there. So your wife had the game.
Yeah, last time she was using it, and it had the disc in it, and I just took the disc out and took it out and put it back in the box, so it wouldn't get a lot more.
Awesome. I appreciate that, man.
All right.
Okay. What PlayStation? What model?
PlayStation 2.
Oh, PlayStation 2. Jones PlayStation. Yeah. I have most of these though. I'll pass on these ones, but thank you. I've never seen that one before.
I think it came with it. It's a
Super Athletics Ultimate Challenge. Huh.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you for bringing them out to let me see it. I appreciate it. I appreciate everything, man.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Guys, thank you for watching. That last yard show was kind of crazy. We got about $800 worth of items there, and we paid about $130. So great pickup. As you can see behind me here, I'm in Tampa. For those that don't know, we're about to get hit with this major hurricane. So I'm still gonna try to do my whatnot tomorrow night. It is Wednesday, August 30th. We're gonna be doing 7:30 p.m. We have about 75 items already listed on our Disney thing. And we're gonna stream live during the hurricane. So maybe you guys can come turn in, watch my house blow away as we're doing a whatnot. Hopefully not, but it'd be great TV now, wouldn't it? Either way, guys, thank you so much. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. The link is in the description down below for my whatnot. Until next time, keep picking and punching.